Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Today, we're gonna do some more little stuff on the car because that's what it came to. We're gonna paint my strut bar now, wrinkle black. Well, first I gotta primer it.
It's been some time. I took a little break. It says I should just leave it and it'll wrinkle by itself. I'm about to go to the store and get some wires for this guy because I need to do a full rewire on the rack. And also these brackets came out really good. Can't really see, but
We're currently walking out of Home Depot. It's been a little bit since I checked in. I'm finishing up wiring what I needed to finish wiring on the car, which is all the power steering stuff and power steering electric rack with the electrical. So I got 20-foot copper wire. I got some paint for my valve cover, and I know you guys seen I sprayed wrinkle black. I went and got another textured kind of black. It'll just look good in the engine bay. So let's head over to the crib and start working. Couple coats going on this guy. It looks weird right now because of the little raindrops. We're also painting the strut bar back to that black color I was telling you about. You can see it's speckled up, and I like the speckles. This strut bar is just mocked up, but I got the texture color I wanted and the cool green color. And now it looks cool. Very sick actually. It's not my green, but it does the job. It looks really cool. Finally going to be putting on my coilovers. We're going with stance. I'm not going to adjust them anything crazy right now. I'm just going to put them in because I've been meaning to and I haven't. So let's put them in. Took a crap, but I put in the new front one. Now I'm taking out both rears. I still take out this one over here. Roberta is here, and I absolutely cooked that last lens in that last clip. Good rain, Chris, good rain.
Good rain, but it looks like we can find one for $50, and then we're maybe gonna get another lens to upgrade.
Exactly. So both coilovers are on in the rear, so that's finished. Wires are getting extended right now, and then I need to order a connector for the Walbro. So I'm gonna do that and see you guys in the next clip after I either get a lens or more iPhone footage. Still no camera, so we're switching to the phone, putting in the rear diff mounts right now. Still gotta put that one on. Looking for bolts, because I lost all my bolts throughout this process of working on this car. First diff mount in, now I gotta get the second one going. So I pulled out all the other stuff that was sitting in here. Have the little bar rolling in here. I just put in the crescent moons. If you could see those bolts right there, you put them through that hole. Come over, and they'll drop in. Pretty sick so far. Just got the diff fully built. Gonna shave these pins down because they won't clear. I got the new stubs in, and also got the plate. Got the bar just kind of hanging here. Just got the bolts loose so that the diff is easy to go in. Currently have the diff on the jack stand. Took out the engine mounts because I think it's going to be a lot easier getting it through with just putting it up and putting the mounts in. It went from day to dark really quick. As you can see, we got the full diff mounted in there. I am about to put the axles in. They are so beefy. I did not record that, but diff is in with axles. As you can see, these meaty of axles are in. I just had my wheels mocked up on there, but look at this meaty diff. Just gotta wait for my drive shaft to come in, and this thing's gonna be rip. I'm on the microphone with Robert right now. I am gonna outro this video because I didn't do it. In this video, we did some painting, put on my coilovers, and put my diff in that I barely recorded as I see that right now. But it's okay. Car is coming along. Robert is on the microphone. He just said hello. Okay, goodbye. See you guys in the next one. Hopefully this next video you guys see. Thank you, brother. Hopefully, guys, the next video you see is a banger. Okay, goodbye.